this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a blank slide in Google Slides. There are two ways you can add slides. You can add a slide after the last slide on your page. For instance, I have here 21 slides. I can go ahead and add the 22nd one. Or in another method, you can add a blank slide in between slides. For instance, I can add a slide between slide 11 and 12. So I'll show you how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now to add a new slide, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and click the last slide on which you want to add next slide. So I want to go ahead and add a slide after 21 to be slide 22. So I'll go ahead and click on 21 here, and then I'll head over to this plus here. If you hover over it, you can see it is an option to add new slide. Now if I click on it, you can see we have now under 22 a blank slide. Now from here you can now start adding your input in this empty or blank slide. Now should you want to add a slide between slides, it is also simple. For instance, I want to add a slide between slide 3 and slide 4. To do that, it's simple. Just hover over the middle of the two slides with your cursor and then just click on it so that we have that blue line between the two slides. Now from here, if you go ahead and tap on plus, you can see a new slide will be added between the two slides. So that's how you can add empty slides in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.